on eBay. Case 5E Super K. Gold limited edition. Okay. I've been waiting for a while. It's been about a week. There's the model. Alright. Set that off to the side. And here's another good look at the box. This is the side of the box. Y'all could probably see that just barely. But this is the limited edition. Nothing really fancy on the bottom or the top. Sorry, I'm using one hand here. But there's the case that I've been waiting for. I just got my brother on the new model. Set that there. Here's the certificate. Still 150th anniversary edition. Have not saw one of these on YouTube yet, so I hope it's nice. Just by looking at wheels and stuff turning, oh, I'm already in love with it. So I will pull it out of the box here. I'll show you guys what is wrong with it. Just give me 1 second here. Okay, this is 2 things that are wrong with it. Let me pull this back up. I will do a model review of this just because it is real rare. But see, look, 4-in-1 has working cylinders. Now, here you could probably see it does have a cracked window. I don't know if y'all can see that the best. That might be able to try to get you a good glimpse of it. There it is. And it's cracked in the back right there too. But there's one really thing that's broke with it. And what do you know? It's a broken cylinder. Now, the reason why I got this is because I probably do have a cylinder for this. I will just change it. It's no big deal. But it's not that bad. For the price of it, let me see, $30. For the price of that, you really can't beat that with a stick. There's something I don't like back here, but well, here it is. Give you a good view. There's the backhoe fully extended hoe. This is the one where it don't look like a extended hoe. The cylinders are strong enough to hold the whole model up. I don't think you ever saw one of that on one of these 150th scales. But thank you, and I will get back to you guys later and see if I can find a cylinder to fix that. Thank you very much.